10-hour strategy for physics ICC class 10 board exam along with format, marking schemes, most important topics, least important topics, section B strategy and many more things along with one very important topic which you can't afford to leave. So now without any further delay, let us begin. Okay, so starting from the format, we have two sections. First is section A and second is section B. Section A questions. It covers 3 questions with sub questions. Okay, first question will of 15 marks with 15 MCQs, 1 marks each. The second question covers 3 sub questions. Then third question covers 7 sub questions. 6 questions are each of 2 marks. Our 7 questions will be of 3 marks only. Moving towards section B, which covers 6 questions in which you have to do only any 4 questions. Second thing, that is marking scheme. I'm going to talk about chapter wise, so let us start. Starting from chapter 1, that is force, covers 4 marks. Second, work, power, energy covers 13 marks. Machines covers 6 marks. Fraction of light covers 10 marks. Lens 6 marks. Spectrum 9 marks. Sound 11 marks. Electricity 10 marks. Household circuit 3 marks. Electromagnetism 9 marks. Calorimetry 10 marks. And radioactivity 8 to 9 marks. So this is the whole marking scheme to be section based strategy. So first of all, let me clear you this thing that I have already uploaded one video, physics last minute tips, in which I have told you that some are the questions which cover only one chapter each, and some are the questions which cover 2 or 3. So let us talk about which are those questions which covers these kind of chapters. Question 1 consists of light. Second question consists also of light. Then question 3 consists force, work, power, energy, and along with it machines as well. Then question 4 again machines and sound. Question 5 electricity and radioactivity. Question 6 calorimetry and electromagnetism. Okay, so by this you can prior your chapters according to which question you have to do. Okay, and one more thing, these are the approximate things which I am telling you just after analyzing the whole past year question paper. So don't be worried about this. I have already analyzed everything. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Move towards least important chapters which you can skip or maybe give them low priority. Okay, so first of all, the least priority chapters are sound, then force, then machines, then spectrum and household circuits. These are the least important chapters which you should give low priority. Then after most important chapters which cover 60% of your paper. First of all, work, power, energy, very important. Then refraction and lens as well. दोनों like की दोनों जो chapters है वो. After that, current, electricity and electromagnetism. Then calorimetry and radioactivity. Radioactivity is not that much important, but still it covers some kind of questions which comes in important section. Okay, in which you can't leave anything that kind. Very important chapters which you can't afford to leave. So let us start with those topics, not chapters. Let us start with those topics which comes under your section A. And section A obviously सबको पता है that section A में we can't leave anything. The calorimetry का 2 mark numerical आता ही आता है, so don't leave that. After that, nuclear reactions जो हमारी होती है अल्फा बीटा गामा. Okay, so those जो भी nuclear reactions होती है कि जो helium वाला part होता है वो वाली सारी चीजें reactions अच्छे से learn कर लेना. ठीक है, वो भी comes under 1 or 2 marks in the section A. Then talking about machines, force, ठीक है, दोनों में numerical अच्छे से कर लेना. After that, household circuits की जो thinness and thickness वाली चीज होती है along with its color code, very important. 1 or 2 mark MCQs तो आते ही आते हैं. ठीक है. After that, moving towards pulley diagram, you have to do pulley as well as lever diagram very well. ठीक है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, कैसे भी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. फर्स्ट क्लास lever, second class lever, third class lever, pulley के जो भी block and tackle system, everything might come, so you have to do it very well. Now protons and neutrons वाला part वो बहुत interesting लगता है in radioactivity. 10 hours strategy for ICC class 10 for physics in 2025. Okay, so but this is the year जिसमें आपको अभी भी जरूरत है. Okay. Okay, so how to complete whole physics in just 10 hours. Force के लिए you have to give half an hour. After that, work, power, energy, do that in 2 hours. कौन है? ओहो, कौन चला रहा था? Bye. चलो bye. Okay, now talking about work, power, and energy, you have to give 2 hours to them. Machines 1 hour, refraction of light 1 hour, lenses half an hour, spectrum 1 hour, second sound 1 hour, electricity 2 hour, it's enough. Then calorimetry half an hour and radioactivity again half an hour. So this is all 10-hour strategy. Just this much and you are done with your physics ICC class 10 board exam. Revision, preparation, whatever you say. This was all about today's video. I hope this video helped you. If it helped, so hit this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Share to your friends and comment down below that what you need next. Now, thank you. Bye bye.